The increasing human population will always be in line with development.
Along with rapid growth, the human lifestyle becomes very influential on the quality of life of a population and the sustainability of our environment.
Almost all major cities in Indonesia experience various problems, such as clean air, sustainable education, renewable materials, resilient neighborhoods, and bio-based alternatives. Without denying that development is needed to improve the welfare of mankind, What If Lab, a project that connects Dutch and Indonesian designers with communities in Indonesia, shares cases and ideas to improve the quality of life through design. This way, we can stimulate intercultural exchange and inspiration in the design world.
I'm collaborating with Vivian, and she works in Jakarta and experiences the traffic through Jakarta every day and experiences what it's like to breathe here. What we did is trying to understand what is actually causing the problem. Why is there so much air pollution in the city? In our process, we kind of mapped this whole complex system together. There's a lack of knowledge and a lack of feeling of urgency, so they don't know when to wear the mask or not. Everyone gives different reasons, but no one is really sure. We think the most urgent thing to do now is create awareness. We now want to come up with solutions. We want to provide the right information at the right time. Right now, there's not a lot of information about the pollution levels, so we want to create a tool that allows people, like with sensors and technology, allowing people to measure air quality themselves as they go, so you can act at the moment that it's important.
There's a lot of problems in Indonesia, and I think the core problem is that with the mindset.
So we came up with a concept about creating awareness by doing. So we want to interact with the brain, the heart and the body. And we went into the schools, 2 schools, and test how we can actually motivate kids to become aware of sustainability and do come up with solutions themselves. We have ideas what is necessary to actually motivate the kids to do something about sustainability. So now we should make like new prototypes.
And so actually we are making a mading, like some of Indonesian had already been familiar with. Like we make advanced madings. It's like a system.
And come up with integration into the system of curriculum and education, so we can spread it out over Indonesia.
Yeah.
We collaborate with Kamil, and Kamil is actually a problem owner. So he is already working in the kampung for 2 years now. Kampung Kunir we are working in. And we focus on how to change the participatory design process from experts working with non-experts, experts being the architects and non-experts being the residents of the kampung, into a design process where both the architects and the residents are the experts.
In other words, everyone has some sort of expertise that can be used to help each other, to engage the community, and also to make improvements in their own community. And we are working with a community in north of Jakarta called Kampung Kunir. Instead of having architects coming in to design the buildings, we instead begin the process by getting everyone to understand what is a good house. And that begins by actually investigating how people live in such areas. After that, then we do a critic sessions, we do a design sessions with architects, and the output will be a result of collaboration between residents and residents.
We see problems regarding materials in Indonesia. We know that materials that we currently use comes from unsustainable resources, and we are looking for alternative resources that really more sustainable. And we found out that we also can make material from mushroom, and that's what we are currently doing.
and hopefully that will have like less impact to the environment. So we can do it making it better materials and use it for a long time and better for the earth.
And we are here, Karin and me, to give an outside perspective on his material. And we both have a very experimental approach towards designing. So we like to first see the possibilities of a technique or a material. So really from the qualities of the material, we try to decide what products we can make of it.